Hey guys, good morning. My name is Brix Julian M. Kaubat, a second year student in Bachelor of Science in Criminology in Simbang Luzon Provincial Government College in Aurora Campus. So, the first question is, imagine a scenario in which an image of someone who is the object of religious devotion, such as Jesus Christ or Mary, the mother of Jesus, is placed side by side with a phallic image. So, a phallic image, guys, is object of male penis. So we see that in a museum, a statue of there is a person or an object that is naked and there is a penis, there is a male penis. So for me, this is considered an ethical issue because of the disrespect of putting a phallic image in Jesus Christ. So it it makes a conflict between freedom of expression and religious people or religion versus freedom. So yes, it is a right to express. It is a right to express of our arts, freedom of expression, but be mindful of uh, sharing or expressing someone that it cannot affect in other people or in other religious people, because for me it is disrespect. For me it can gives an ethical issue because I am devoted in Jesus Christ. So putting a phallic image or a phallic object in Jesus Christ, it makes disrespect for me, not for me but also in other people. Number two, is this an ethical issue? Why or why not? So for me, it is so what I said earlier or early, that it is an ethical issue for me because of disrespecting of a religious, and it gives conflict between freedom and respect. So yes, it is an ethical issue for me, but not for me, but also in other religious people and who are devoted in Jesus Christ and to the religion. Not only for Christianity but also for Islam. So yeah, that is my answer in number two. Number three, does the question whether this is right or wrong depend on what religion you belong? So it is a wrong for me. I am a Christian and and I am a Roman Catholic and I devoted in Jesus Christ. Yes, it is a wrong for me because putting a phallic object in a religious people or religious sacred or a statue. So it is wrong for me because that is shows a disrespect to the religion or the religious. So it is right to express, but it has a limit of uh, it is a limit of yeah um yeah, that's it. That is that's it. There's a limit of expressing. So for me, it is wrong, and this is my answer. It is wrong for me, but not also for me, but also for other people. Uh, and that's it. Thank you for watching, guys, and I hope you understand my English because I'm not good in speaking English. So thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. See ya. Bye bye.